guys, Barnes here, and today we're gonna learn a new trick. Is the Fakie backside 180. So it's a fairly simple trick. You have to just scoop the board, kind of like a pivot in front of you, and then it's gonna do the rotation with your shoulders to finish it off. So the foot position for this trick is your front foot on the tail, like can be on the hillside pocket a bit, but it's not really important as long as it's on the tail, and your back foot is on the bolt. So as you move backwards in Fakie, you have to pop the board and kind of like guide your back foot up on the board, and the same time as it turns, you're pretty much going to turn 90. So from then on is you are able to just guide through with your back foot and land the full rotation, and you have the Fakie backside 180. It's fairly simple, you can do it in no time. Is basically a pivot movement. You rotate your shoulder and just look where you're going, and you're gonna land the trick in no time. So thank you guys for watching the video. Stay tuned because a new trick coming every Thursday. And make sure you go out, practice your new trick, just go skate and have fun.